This video is about transformation of a parent function. We got to use transformation to sketch different kind of functions by using parent function. For number 1, we got to do the transformation. This function I can write down negative x plus 2 squared plus 3. First step, second step, and a third step. So we do reflect across x-axis. Second step is left 2 units. Then third step is go up 3 units. The parent function will be y equals x squared. So I need a table. You will get -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So you have 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. Plot these 5 points. 0, 0, 1, 1, -1, 1, and 2, 4. Then you sketch this graph. This is a parent function. You have 5 points. So these 5 points, you got to do these 3 steps transformation. Let's get started from this point, origin. Reflect across x stay the same, then left 2, go up 3. Go here. For this point, reflect across x, go here. Then move to the left 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3, go here. And for these points, you have reflect across x-axis, go here. Then left 2, go up 3, 1, 2, 3, go here. For the other 2 points, you will get over here and over here. Then you need to connect these 5 points. That will be the graph for number 1. Let's go to number 2. For transformation, the first step, second step, third, and a fourth. Reflect across x-axis. Second step, that's vertically stretch by factor of 3. Which means your y coordinates multiplied by 3. Then third step, that's horizontally stretch because that's a layer. Inside there is a layer by factor of 2. For fourth step, go up 4 units. Parent function for number 2, that's y equals square root of x. Table, you will get 0, 1, and 4. So we got 0, 1, 2. For square root of x, this x cannot be negative. Therefore, we got 0, 0, 1, 1, and 4, 2 here. We connect these 3 points to get parent function. For these 3 points, we got to do this 4-step transformation. We get started from here. Reflect across x stay the same, And y coordinate is 0 times 3, still 0. Horizontally stretched by factor of 2, that means 2x. Your x coordinate times 2. For these points, the x coordinate is still 0, so it's a 0. Then I go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here. Now let's go to these points. Reflect across x, go here. Your y coordinate, that's negative 1, multiplied by 3, we go to negative 3 here. Then your x coordinate multiplied by 2, 1 times 2 is 2 here. Then go up 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I got over here. Now let's go to this point. Reflect across x-axis here. Your y coordinate, that's negative 2. I multiply by 3, that's negative 6. Go here. Then your x coordinate is 4. You multiply by 2, let's go to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Then go up 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here. This time I need to connect this 3 cross. And we know this one is the end point of the graph. Therefore, I just connect like this. This will be the graph for number 2. Now let's go to number 3. Transformation will be 1, 2, 3 step. First step, that's vertically compressed by a factor of 1 over 2, which means your y coordinate divided by 2. Second step, let's move to the left 3 units. Third step, go up 4 units. Kernel function, that will be y equals x third power. So your table, you will get negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Negative 8, negative 1, 0, 1, 8. So we need to plot these 6 points. You got 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1, then 2, 8, negative 2, negative 8. Then I connect these points. This will be the Kernel function, x to the third power. For each point, I got to do these 3 transformation. Get started from origin. Vertically compressed by 1 over 2, y coordinate is 0 times 1 over 2, still 0. Then move to the left 3, go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's here. Now let's go to these points. Vertically compressed by 1 over 2. That means the y coordinate divided by 2, go here. The left 3, 1, 2, 3, go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's here. Now let's go to these points. Y coordinate, that's 8 divided by 2, we go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's here. Then left 3, 1, 2, 3, go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's here. For another 2 points, you will do exactly the same thing. Then you will get this 5 final points after you did this transformation. Then you need to connect these 5 points now. This will be the final graph. Now let's go to number 4. We still need to figure out the transformation steps. You have 3 steps. First step, reflect across the y-axis. Second step, move to the right 5 units. Then third step, go down 4 units. The parent function will be y equals 2 to the x power. Then get the table. For exponential parent function, the x will be -1, 0, 1. And you will get the 1 over 2, 1, and 2. So you will get these 3 points. -1, that's 1 over 2. 0, 1, and 1, 2 here. Then I connect these points. Also, you have a x-axis as asymptote line. When you do the transformation, we do asymptote line first. Reflect across y is the same. Then left 5, go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the new asymptote line is here. We got 3 points. These 3 points, we got to do this 3 transformation. Reflect across y-axis, I go here. Then move to the right 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you need to go down 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the final point. For second point here, reflect across y-axis still here. Then right 5, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go here. Then we go to this point. Reflect across the y-axis, go here. Then move to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down for 1, 2, 3, 4. It's here. Then you need to connect these 3 points this time. We have asymptote line. So the graph will be like this. For exponential and a logarithm and a rational function, there are asymptote line. So you need to sketch asymptote line. Let's go to number 5. This is a natural log function. We do the transformation first. 1, 2, 3. So first step, reflect across x-axis. Second step, move to the right 3 units because inside is a layer. Then third step, go up 2. The parent function will be y equals natural log of x. For natural log of x basically means the log base is e of x. E equals 2.7. We using the 2.7. The table for the parent function of a natural log, it will be negative 1, 0, 1. Y will be negative 1, 0, 1. So for x, you will get the 1 over e and a 1. Then here's e. 1 over e, it's like 0.4. And e kind of like 2.7. You can count as 3. Now we plot these 3 points. 0.4 and a negative 1. It's here. Then 1, 0, it's here. 2.71. It's here. Then I connect these 3 points. We know that there is a vertical asymptote line. That's x equals 0. So your asymptote line got to do transformation. Reflect across the x-axis still over here. Move to the right 3 units. Then go up to. It won't affect your asymptote line. So we have a new asymptote line is moved to the right 3 units. That is this one. For each point, you got to do this transformation now. So we got these points. Reflect across the x-axis, I go here. Then move to the right. 3 units go up to 1, 2, 3, go up to 1, 2. It's here. Then I go to these points. Reflect across the x-axis, still stay. Then write 3, 1, 2, 3, go up 2, go here. Then we go to these points. Reflect across x-axis, go here. Then move to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, go up to 1, 2, we go here. We need to connect these 3 points. Very close to this asymptote line, but never cross. That will be your graph. For number 6, you got to do transformation first. Number 1, that's a vertically stretch by factor of 2. Minus 3 means move to the right 3 units. Then for minus 1 means go down 1 unit. For parent function, that is y equals 1 over x. You will get the points for x, that is 1/2, 1 and 2. So you got the 2, 1, 1 over 2. Then you put the plus, minus, plus, minus. Then you can plot the points like this. I have 1/2. That means 2 is here. 1, 1. Then 2 is 1/2. So connect these 3 points. -1, -1, -2 is -1/2. It's here. -1/2, that's 2. -2, that's over here. This is a parallel function for rational function. And we know that we have x-axis and also y-axis as the asymptote line. First of all, let's check a new asymptote line. You vertically stretch by factor 2a1 of fact, then move to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it's go down 1, we go here. This will be the new asymptote line. Then for each point, you got to do the transformation. Vertically stretch by a factor of 2, go here. Then move to the right 3, down 1, 1, 2, 3, down 1, go here. For these points, vertically stretch by 2, that's your y coordinate multiplied by 2, go here. Then you have right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 1, go here. Then this point, vertically stretch by a factor of 2, that's your y coordinate is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, go here. Then move to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, then go down 1, I go here. Then you connect these 3 points. You will do the same thing for the negative part. You will get these 3 points, then you connect. That will be the new graph.